How to apply Instagram filters to gallery photos. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So applying Instagram filters to your gallery photos is very simple. First, go to your Instagram. Tap on the plus icon. Now select story. After that, select a picture. Any picture. And then wait for some time and you will find an option of filter over here like this. And now you will be able to add Snapchat filters to your gallery photo. Add it according to your choice. Wait for it to load. And after it loads, tap on the three dot and save it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.